are you still every day like, I've got to do my best because I don't know what tomorrow brings?
I was never the type that wanted to own my own business. I liked being a soldier. I liked working, going to work and coming home and not thinking about it. And not long after I quit that to do this full time, I was watching a nature documentary. I love nature documentaries. I watch all of them. And they were talking about the alpacas and the cougars down in South America. And they were saying how these alpacas, they just go along and they graze and it's a nice life, but you got to watch out because the cougars will eat one occasionally. And the cougars, they have to work very hard to find the alpacas. And, if they don't get one every week, they die. And it kind of seemed like a similar situation from going from being an employee where it's easy, but it's out of my control. I can't really control if they fire me or there's layoffs and things like that. And now I'm more like the cougar where it's in my hands, but I have to work a lot harder and I have to work at it every week, every day to make sure that, I can sustain it.